Hi there, and welcome to another MT2 Trading platform tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to make money as an MT2 Trading affiliate. So let's start. As stated on our website, our affiliate program will give you the possibility of earning passive income by simply promoting MT2 Trading platform. To do so, you'll need to follow these 3 steps. Firstly, create an account in a few minutes. Then send traffic to our website through your unique referral link, and then get paid in 48 hours or less to your preferred wallet. Your profits as an affiliate will depend on the amount of MT2 Trading licenses sales that come from the people you refer. This means if you share your referral link to somebody who ends up buying an MT2 license, you'll gain money in commissions as a result. Such commissions can go as high as 40% over the license price, creating a lot of potential for big reward. Additionally, you'll have access to a powerful affiliate dashboard panel where you'll be able to track your profits, performance, and configure your accounts according to your needs. So let me show you. As I already have an affiliate account, I'll skip the step of creating one and will log in on my existing account. As you can see on screen, a Go to Dashboard button appears on screen, which I'll proceed to click. This is the affiliate panel, and to the left side, you'll find a vertical menu that will allow you to navigate through the different available sections. The first one is Activity. Here you'll find your referral link, a chart with your earnings, which you can filter by date, and a recent referrals list included in your latest referrals. The second section is Statistics, where you'll find analytical information including visits, referrals, conversion rate, and paid earnings, among others. The third section is Payments. From here, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings to your preferred wallet, and you'll also view your payments history. The following section is the Leaderboard, and as the name suggests, you'll find here the list of top MT2 Trading affiliates and their corresponding sold volumes. The fifth section is Marketing. You'll find high converting promotional material in your native language, including banners, ready to be downloaded or placed on your website. The last section is Settings. From here, you'll be able to configure your affiliate information such as payment emails, preferred payment method, and referral discount, as well as change your account password. And that's all. You now know everything you need to refer your friends or family members to MT2 Trading, or turn your website, social media channel, group, or blog into a money-making machine. Best regards from the MT2 Trading team.